All right, scrappers, in this video, we're going to show you how to turn number 2 copper tubing into number 1. So in our scrapyard, we have a shear, and it's easy for us to be able to just cut these pieces with the significant amount of solder at the joints off and throw those into the number 2 box. And then we have some other pieces that are larger that are number 1 without any solder, which can be sorted and thrown into the number 1 box. So you can see that our team member here is doing that while we're watching this video. Something to think about. We don't expect you to have one of these types of shears in your yard or in your workspace. So what you can do is you can get a pipe cutter that'll allow you to sort those joints away from the number 1 copper tubing. And in this particular example we're looking at here, there's actually a brass joint on the corner that's going to be sorted from the number 2 as well. So that brass is going to be worth a little bit less. So being able to remove that with a pipe cutter or any type of tool that can cut through the copper tubing is going to help you sort that number 2 copper tubing from the number 1, and even if there's any brass or bronze joints that are attached to them as well. In this next clip, you can see our box of number 1 copper tubing that's all sorted with no solder or joints in there. And then our number 2 box has a lot of solder and joints that are mixed in there as well. So be sure to sort.
Thanks for watching our video. For $2.99 a month, by becoming a member, you can get access to early videos, member-only videos, merchandise discounts from our store, and priority comments that we answer before answering any other scrappers. Click the link below to learn more. Until next time, scrap you later.